you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. I'm happy to be here. I am glad you guys are here. If you are a first timer to this YouTube channel or to the Strat, then welcome to you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so down below. You can click that subscribe button and then hit that bell. That bell will give you the notifications for when I send out videos like this one every day. This is our top 5 watch list for Monday, May 16th. I send these out every day. I also send out a bigger watch list every day. I send out weekly swing trades, monthly swing trades, informational videos, motivational videos, learning tools such as the 4-video 30 and 30 set that I've got, how to trade inside bars, outside bars, what these little numbers mean under the candlesticks, entries and exits, all kinds of other things, okay? So you can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can comment there. You can DM me there. You can ask questions there. I usually get back to you guys the same day. You can also do the same thing on every single one of my YouTube videos, and I will get back to you guys. I am here to help you guys out. So open book. If you guys have questions, ask them. There's no dumb questions, okay? If I can help you out, I surely will. Okay, so let's get started on this top 5 list for Monday, May 16th. And the first one we've got on the list is BAC. So BAC was a 2-up that finished red, okay? So we passed the high of the previous candle only, but we ended up coming back down and closing. So we got a failed 2. We can look for puts at this one at 34.76, and we can take our targets at 34.27. You can notice here, this time frame is all red. The day and the week, we won't know what these are going to be because when Monday opens, that's what will determine where these turn on Monday. If you're looking for that indicator, click on your indicator tab on TradingView, type in time frame continuity, and the author is Board Rider B. If you're looking off to the left of my screen right now, these numbers, these 3s and these 2s and the 1s, type in candle type the Strat, author is Crinklebind. That will give you those. If you're wondering how I get these white bars and yellow bars for the 1 bars, the inside bars, I'm not sure which one. It's one of these TW Holy Grail Golden Indicator tabs right here, okay? So that's how we get that. That's settled. Let's move on to the next one on AMC. Okay, AMC has a 3-1 setup. And as I said in our main watch list video, anytime I have a 3-1 setup, guys, it'll always be on my top 5 list. Just because if we go back and look in time, 3-1 setups or outside bar, inside bars are super rare, okay? And when they do happen, they tend to have, they tend to explode to one direction or the other. And we can go on this one back on December 21st, and it's an outside bar, inside bar, and look at this thing shoot up, okay? Really good gains there. If we go to find any other ones, right here, there's 2 more, and I went through these in my other watch list video again, just as I'm doing here. Outside, inside bar, huge drop for a win. Okay, outside bar here, inside bar, the white and yellow, another huge drop, okay? So, super powerful pattern, a 3-1 setup, and super rare, okay? So, when I do find them, they go on the top 5 list, no doubt about it. So, that's a 3-1 setup for AMC. We can take calls on AMC at $12.48. Puts at $11.49, and then the green lines here at the top of the wick and the bottom of the wick would be our targets. Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, also has a 3-1 setup. So again, we can take calls on this one at $10.06 or puts on this one at $9.40. And again, the first targets, top of the wick if we're going long, bottom of the wick if we're going short, second, third, fourth targets. If you want to find second, third, fourth targets on Bed Bath & Beyond, you have to go way, way back in time. All the way back into this range. I'm not going to mark those down. You guys can go look for them if you want to find targets outside of that. I know a lot of people ask me about stop losses on these. So on a day trade, listen, if we trigger here and we're trending down, you can use this as your stop loss and end up being at 0. If you go to the high side, you can use this as your stop loss, go to 0. If we hit our targets, then you can make your target your stop loss, okay? If we hit triggers, you can go down to the 5-minute or 15-minute and look for, if we go to the high upside, you can look on the 5 and the 15-minute for reversals down for your stop losses if you want. Multiple different things you can do, just depends on where you guys want to put them. If we come down below, obviously you get stopped out here, and then we still can retrace, and you can try to take that trade again, okay? So next one on the list, and guys, these are in no particular order of 1 to 5 at all. They're just here. Number 4 is GME, has another 3-1 setup, okay? So calls at 106.96, puts at 95.30. Let's actually move that down just slightly to 95.20. Full time frame, as you can see here, but again, we don't know what the day and the week are going to present with us on Monday. So outside of that, we are looking for a downtrend. You can go to the monthly here. If we look real quick on GameStop, so GME on the monthly had a 3-1 setup, and look at, we hit the trigger, this blue line, and we trended down. We hit first targets exactly, okay, and then we reversed up. So we are still looking at a 2 down for the month. So what I'm getting at here, guys, is we have a reversal to the upside, but this thing for the month, as you can see here, is trending down. So that's another reason I like this play. We can look for a trend back down to the downside because the month is already 2 down. Okay? Keurig Dr. Pepper, KDP is number 5. This one's been pretty choppy recently, as you can see, up and down, but broadening formations, bottom, top, bottom, bottom, top, hit the top again, bottom. Where are we going on this one? Where's the next 2? Okay, so we've got an inside bar. We can take calls at 37.44, puts at 36.77. This blue line, as I said before, is my monthly trigger. We can go on to the monthly, and you can see we had an inside bar on the monthly. Okay, so this inside bar, we've triggered it down already. We came down, we hit 1, and we haven't hit the second target, but we are still a 2 down on this. Okay, we've come back up across that line. If we go back to the daily, we can look for this. Our first target is here. Okay, I can put that in for you guys, and I'll tighten this up just so you can see. We hit first targets. We have re-triggered the monthly, okay, which is already set at a 2 down, and here is the bottom of our broadening formation, okay? Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Okay, so what are we hitting? Do we hit down this low tomorrow? Probably not, but the stock market is it's a crazy drug, so you never know what happens. We may tag that, we may not. I'll give you one bonus play here. The reason I have this on here, I like this inside bar setup on it. The problem I have with it is I'm not sure the spread between the bid and the ask, okay? And if the spread between the bid and the ask is too far apart, I do not play them. Because if you are just buying a market, you're buying it at whatever the market sells it to you for. Let's say it's $1, but the ask is 90 cents. You're already 10 cents out on that trade. Okay, I'd like to see that, like SPY, QQQ, NEO, all those ones trade within pennies between the bid and the ask, and that's one of the reasons I really like them. But if we're at $1 versus 70 cents or 90 cents or 80 cents, I'm not getting into this trade. You can try to fill a limit order, but a lot of times the price moves so fast that you just don't get in. You can try, but that's just one thing I want you guys to watch. If the spread between the bid and the ask is too far, not taking the trade, okay? So that's a top 5 list, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, or if you're watching this on Monday, have a wicked good Monday and the rest of the trading week. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe down below. Follow me on Twitter. Ask whatever you need to ask, guys, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.